I just got the Beboncool controller charger off of Amazon. It works for the Xbox Series X and S, the Xbox One S and X, and the Xbox One. It comes with two 1500 milliamp batteries. There's the side of the box. It says charging dock. The other side of the box is green and has part of the controller. There's the top box green. There's the bottom box green. Here's a quick look at the back of the box. There's the charger and the battery cover, and a picture of the charging stand. Let's open it up. This was $23.99 off of Amazon. And then it had a 5% coupon. There's the charge stand, and there's the battery covers, battery, and then another battery cover set. Okay, then there's a battery. And at the bottom was another battery. Right, it has a 1-year warranty and their contact information. A little instruction booklet with a product diagram. There's one battery. There's the side of the battery. There's the bottom of the battery. Another battery. There's your battery. Looks like a battery cover. There's a battery cover right there. And we got another battery cover. Both these say this cover fits the Xbox Series X and S. Okay, so we have another cover here. And this cover is for the Xbox One, X, S, and Elite. We have a total of 4 covers overall, 2 for the Series X and 2 for the Xbox One and its iterations. And here we have a USB charger with micro USB on one end. Let's open up the charging stand. There it is. So we got connection points for our controller's battery, pegs to hold our controller in place. Take the plastic off the front. There's a quick look from the side and a quick look from the other side. And there's the back, 5 volts in. So I'll plug the micro USB in there. It would have been nice if it came with a wall charger, but it does not. Here I have 2 Xbox Series X controllers and an Xbox One controller. I'll put the battery in the Xbox One controller first. Put the battery in the correct cover, like so. So we have the battery in the Xbox One cover. Put it in the bottom pin. Push forward. So now that's on the Xbox One controller. I'll take that off and put it on the Xbox Series X controllers. Take the cover off the Xbox Series X controller. The batteries aren't marked so well of how they go in there, but this is how they go in there. Insert at the bottom, and then push down, push forward and down. All right, so we got one battery pack in. Take the cover off the other controller. Take our batteries out. Slide the battery into the cover for the Xbox Series S and X. Put it into the bottom slot there. Push it forward, push it down. So we got that battery pack in. Place it on the pegs on the charger. Place the other one on the pegs on the charger. Let's go plug these in. Okay, let's turn on the Xbox Series X, then plug in the controller charger. As you can see, controller 1 and 2 are lit up in red, so they're starting to charge. They'll be ready to go once they turn green. Alternatively, you can plug it into a USB wall charger or a power strip with USB ports like so. So I have it on the power strip and they are charging. I'll wait a little while until the lights turn green and we'll be good to go. The controller lights are now green, our batteries are fully charged, and our controllers are ready to use. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.